Okay, this data shows a student measuring the volume and the mass of water. In trial one, the student used 10 milliliters of water and he massed an empty graduate cylinder and it turned out to be 25 grams without the water. But when he poured water into the cylinder, the final mass was 35.1. In this case, we can say that mass of water is basically 35.1 minus the empty cylinder. So you have to subtract 35.1 minus 25, which basically gives you 10.1 grams. So you do that for different trials. So notice that the volume of water is different for each trial. And whenever you calculate the mass of water, you have to subtract the mass of the empty cylinder. To calculate the density, you have to remember the equation for the density, which is mass over volume, or mass divided by the volume. So you take the mass of water, in this case 10.1, and divide by the volume of water, in this case 10 milliliters. So you do 10.1 divided by 10 milliliters, and it's going to give you 1.01 grams per milliliters. So you do the same thing for each trial. So whatever the mass is in each box, and divide that by the volume of water for that specific trial.